discuss important things from our perspective, young people. I'm Azmi.
And I'm Sinta. Hi everyone!
Today we are going to discuss a topic that's very close to our life as students, namely educational issue. Don't fall asleep yet, because we'll discuss it in a relaxed but serious way.
Yes, because actually, many of the things we experience in today's education world aren't as simple as just studying and talking exam.
That's right. So let's get straight to it. Sinta, in your opinion, as a student, what makes you feel most tired or burdened about that current education system?
Honestly, the most noticeable thing is academic pressure. Assignment fell up, deadlines are thin, and grades are incredibly high. Sometimes we forget that we are just human beings with limited energy.
I feel you. Sometimes the segment come like a tsunami. Moreover, lecturers and teachers sometimes think they're the only ones giving.
But we have so many other activities, right? Organization, part-time job, even family matters. But the system sometimes doesn't make room for all of them.
Yes, do you think the current education system is sufficiently student friendly?
To be honest, not yet. We're still judged by number, yet people abilities vary. Some are good at talking, others are good at creating content, but none of that is considered achieving if their credentials are high.
I totally agree. The world of work today requires communication skills, creativity, and teamwork, which are really valued in schools or university.
And one more thing, our education is still unequal or friend in remote areas. Sometimes have to walk for hours to school. Some can even go to college because of the cost.
That's right. Not everyone has access to the internet, while we in the city already struggle, let alone them.
Sometimes I think the system priorities those who are already capable, but forget about those who are struggling.
When it comes to technology, do you feel helped during your time as a student?
It's quite good, especially during the pandemic. But yes, sometimes it burdens used to as to all achievements have to be typed, upload, and submit through a specific platform. And if the signal is lost, well, by achievement.
Haha, yeah. Once I submit an assignment at 11:59 a.m., but if gave an error because the server was down, I was so nervous.
We're just learning lesson, but also learning to survive technology. Just look online and you'll find many news portals discussing the issue of education in Indonesia, with like teaching quality and technology. These include the constantly changing curriculums, teacher quality, and the disparity in access to education. The report we need access and equality in education in this country to advance the nation's children.
Do you have any hopes for education in Indonesia?
Of course, I want our education to be more human. Education that gives students space to grow according to their interests, not treated equally and hopefully. It's fair not just for Jews with good facilities.
Amin. I also hope that education can inspire us to learn, not stress us out, so that we can develop as human beings, not action-taking robots.
I totally agree because in the end what we remember from school or college is just the grades but how we develop and grow.
Wow, it's exciting talking about this.
Yes, of course, I hope our conversation is relatable to those of you listening.
Thank you so much, Sinta, for chatting on Have a Nice Chat together. And thank you also to those of you who listened until the end.
Don't forget, you can also join the discussion on our IG. Have a nice chat together.
See you in the next episode. Remember, learning is important, but happiness is important too. Bye bye.